Hey guys, this is just a little short video about some stuff that's going on with me and some growth that we're trying out. So today, as this video comes out right now, Rise of Miniatures and Models is putting out its first set of videos. There should be 4 or 5 videos. If you can, go check them out, go subscribe to the channel, as that one is strictly focused in model kits and painting. So building dioramas, all that kind of stuff. It's got a strict focus to that. So we just launched it today as this video came out. Those videos are also launching as this one comes out. So please, if you can, go check that one out too. Subscribe, join that membership. Help us grow that aspect of the channel too, because I really like teaching painting tricks and all that fun stuff. So that channel is going to be based mainly in science fiction models, Gundams, you name it, but we're also going to do historical models. So there'll be some battleships, stuff like that. It's mainly going to be focused around model kits, so keep that in mind. So Warhammer will be over there, all that kind of stuff. Occasionally something 3D printed might run over there as we kind of do a bridge project between the two channels. But like I said, that one is going to be completely focused on finding model kits, acrylic paints, all that kind of fun stuff, and just testing, playing, and even growing my skills as you guys over there and help me, and even teach me new things to help gain skills and become better at what I do too. So hopefully you guys can take some time, go over and enjoy that. Like I said, there's about an hour's worth of content being released over there, so go check that one out. And again, I appreciate you guys being subscribed over here. 3D printing content will continue as usual, so keep that in mind. Thank you guys. Go check that out. Appreciate it. See you later.